Beast. As you know, I love introducing the Beast, and then you get to see my swirly look with this new look. Still loving it. Right, itching. Does my hair system itch? Me personally, it doesn't itch at all until I've been lazy and I've left the hair system on too long. What I would like to express to all the hair fall clients with this delicate hair system is, if it is itching, try your hardest not to do this. Like, just try your hardest not to do that on the hair system, because it's so delicate. If you're rubbing like this, it's going to affect the knots and the longevity. What I do when I'm lazy and left the hair system on too long is, if I've got an itch, say, and it's generally around the perimeter, because that's I only bond with tape, as you probably all know, around the perimeter. It's best way to describe doing this for me personally is, there's an itch, leave it alone. Joking. There's an itch, just press it, yeah, rather than rub. If I rub that there for 30 seconds, what will happen is it's going to loosen the knot. So everything's really logical. If let's go on another level to this. Ladies that come to see me that have had alopecia, I've been mindful of what lace base I put on, and more often than not, if I can see it's really sensitive, I will put like a silk inner. It used to be called French drawn back in the day when I started, and we called it Silk B, and that gives a silkier main base, and it looks really good actually when you look at above, as also because the hair is vented through and comes out some silk, so it looks quite impressive. But that can sit on your skin. If it's on for a 4-week period, that will obviously be more gentle and stop any itching. Itching did used to happen with the big bulky hair systems, which I first went into in the 90s. Then they, you know, it's going back, what, quite 25 years now, so it was a long time ago. But these lace bases are very light, you know, and as long as the template is done correctly, I can't see why it itches at all, really. So let me think about this on adhesives. Right. If, and it's very rare that there's some itching and you're on adhesive, then it may make sense to change it. All the water-based adhesives rarely cause any infections or anything at all, and I'm being deadly serious about this. The easiest way I put it is, I've got a really big eBay shop, okay, and I sell 300 odd products on there, which generates inquiries for me, you know, people that don't buy hair systems off me. And I've got public liability insurance of £6 million, yeah, and it's never been used. So I'm selling to the public. Touch wood. It's touch wood. Next thing I know, I'm going to be sued. So my point is, you know, the products are pretty good and so forth, they're very good, and they generally don't cause any itching. But if there is anything like that, then you can swap adhesives, okay? So, no itching on this hair system. See you next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.